special to you for watching this video. And today I'm going to start with the daughter's room. So this is how I usually start. I put a wallpaper against the wall so to see if I've got enough, because in the books it's always usually just one sample of the wallpaper. So I have to use 3 different types of wallpaper because of the 3 walls, but luckily they mostly the same color, so I don't mind for that. So this is I'm going to use for the cupboard for the daughter. So and then this is like for a book, or always also just racks and maybe place to put the books and that stuff. The reason why I use something that's so wide is because so then I can just move the room a bit to the front and make it just a bit more squarish on the side here. So this is going to be, and then I'm going to put a study table here against this wall. This is not a study table, I'm just thinking about the place. And okay, this is, I just borrowed it from the other house. I'm not going to use this in her room. I'm going to make her one, but I just wanted to put it here to see, okay, for all this, for the space in the room. So this is the size of a bed. Okay, it's always going to be a headboard, but this is the size of a bed. This is not her bed. And I'm thinking of using this as a bedside table for her. So there's an open space here, so I'm thinking of maybe put a window in here with a bench underneath the window where she can sit and read, maybe with pillows on or something like that. So that's what I'm thinking. I did previously think about putting the bed here, but then it's in front of a door and the doors are actually a bit too big, so I'm going to have to make the bed shorter, and I can't really make the bed shorter. But I will still decide about that, and then I will put windows on the sides, and then I can make this a little music corner, something like that. But I'm still thinking of the idea of rather put a bed here and then vanity on the side, maybe from wall to wall, I don't know, I will still see. And okay, bedside, so you can have this open space for maybe just a poof there, for music and all that stuff, and then obviously all she's going to use here. So I'm not going to use this wallpaper here. I'm just going to cut off a piece that's long enough to go behind the cupboard, so I can put pieces on the long side here as well, because it's a bit too short, this wallpaper. So with all that said, let's get started. Oh yeah, and then I'm going to have to use this for a border around the sides here, because it's also too short, the wallpaper, but we'll make it work. So yeah, first I'm going to measure, yeah. so all the wallpapers are up now. I'm quite impressed. Really, I'm glad I took off the silver wallpaper here. So now it's time, so I must put in the cupboards. So this is going to be a cupboard. I'm going to strengthen it with other cardboard I'm going to put inside. This I'm going to paste in here because I'm going to cut it in half so that the doors can open like this. And yeah, I've decided that the doors can open because I really want to use this on the door here in the middle. Let me just see, like something like that. So I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to put the parts here on the door like that, something like that. But I'm going to make the background silver with that. So then, and on the top needs to be just at least just the right size. So that's the only place on the top that needs wood. The others you won't see because I'm going to paste the cupboard in here, I think, so you can, I'll decide. And then next to that is this is coming in here next to that, of course. So then the only other place that so I'm going to use one of this is then here for the wood to be closed here on the side. And then of course on top of here for this one now I'm going to use there, and I'm going to use the same the wood as for racks on the or shelves on the inside. I'm going to take this off here next to that, and then I'm going to put shelves. I'm going to think of something like maybe wallpaper. I've got the idea for wallpaper that I'm going to put here in the back, and then on the sides and in the back, so it doesn't going to take off. And then this is going to be the shelves for this. And then I'm going to make a bed, but I'm thinking of make a bed high enough for this little container to fit underneath the bed for extra storage, you know. So this is going to be a bed. So just for extra storage space, you can pull that out. Because I'm going to use this for the bed support, and then this is going to be for here, and then this is going to be the feet on this side like that. So I'm only going to need feet for the back. So I'm going to use some more balsa wood for the back. I already tested with my brown Sharpie and it's almost the same brown. So I'm only going to need legs for in the back of the chair, so I'm going to color it with some of the Sharpie. So that's for a bed. And then I've got with the leftovers, I'm going to have to make, and this is my leftovers, I'm going to have to make a study table and a vanity case or vanity table for that. I'm going to use this, I'm thinking of use this also at the back for that. I'm just going to cut off the sides and use it for the vanity's background with the mirror in there. And then obviously, like I said, this is all I've got left for the study table and that. So I hope I'm going to have enough for all the woods, and then always I'm going to have offcuts here and there. So maybe that will be enough for, I do like a bed like that, yeah. And then obviously this is the cover. It's going to be a beautiful golden room. So yeah, that's my ideas with the furniture. So that's for the next episode. So then I will start making the furniture, and so you must keep in touch and press that bell, and then you will see the notification for the next video up for this house. for this room. And of course, please like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share this video to any friends of you would like to, or also the liking of dolls and that stuff. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.